Great day, beauties. I'm getting ready to give you the most groundbreaking, revolutionary secret to losing weight at night. I'm sure this is something no one else has ever told you. What to do when it is 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. Nope, nope, nope. Let's take it back. What to do at 9 o'clock. 9:30, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. You know you should be in the bed, but your body wants something to eat. Or maybe your head is telling you to eat something. Maybe the unhappiness you felt today make you want to eat something so you could feel better. What if the parasites on the inside of you are telling you to eat? What do you do? How to lose weight at nighttime. Drum roll, please. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What to eat late at night so you can still reach your weight loss goals and lose weight. What do you do? Da 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 da. Beauties, I'm getting ready to tell you what to do when it is late at night and you want to eat. Look into my eyes as I tell you the secret to losing weight at night. Are you looking at my eyes? The secret to losing weight at night is to take your ass to bed. That is the most groundbreaking, revolutionary thing I could ever tell you. Y'all see this flashlight? I got the flashlight so y'all can see me because it's dark in here. Beauties, if you want to lose weight at night, there are so many things you could do. You could read a book. You could do something else relaxing. Yoga, stretching, hanging upside down. So many fun things you could be doing. But absolutely do not eat. Well, most of the time. Thanks for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. Whew. My hand got tired of holding that flashlight. Good night, beauties.